All right, guys, here we go. Guys, we're here at the Centurion Lounge, man. And, you know, guys, I'm from the country, man. I didn't even know this type of stuff existed. But, it's exclusively for American Express users. And I just looked it up online and it said, hey, we can come here. We're in the Denver International Airport headed to the International Building Show. And guys, this is really good, man. I mean, golly, man, this is like a whole nother world. You got the bar and all this stuff is complimentary, even the breakfast and stuff. And I didn't know the perks of it, man. I mean, this is all, huh? Yeah, coffee. And we can just kind of chill out here until, we got about 2 hours before our next flight to Las Vegas for the International Building Show. Now, guys, I suggest two things. One is I think that everybody should have an American Express, guys. And I'm not trying to promote, well, if you're a builder, I think you should have an American Express. And I'm not pushing American Express. It's like, I'm not getting any money for this right here from American Express. I wish I was. But the reason I say that is because a lot of times you have a lot of building supplies that are very expensive, like a lumber package. That's $60-some thousand right there. You can use your American Express to purchase that lumber package as long as you pay it off at the end of the month. Which by the time it's time to pay it, you can get your bank draw and pay that all the way down. And then, guys, you can take advantage of the reward points that you get from using that. Ain't that cool? And here's the thing, guys. You get about 1.5%, or 1.5 points if you get lumber supply or like my brick guys, my concrete guys. Now, one thing they will do is sometimes your lumber supply, because you're using a card, they have a convenience fee of 3%. And you can work with your lumber supplier or your suppliers, whoever your suppliers are, and they can work with you on that, guys. In most cases, they give you a 1% if you pay it off in 1 month. You get that 1%. So you can work out that 2%. And then you can take advantage of these reward points, and everybody wins at that. What do you think, man? That's pretty cool. That's pretty nice. Yeah. Oh, by the way, this is McKinley. This is my son, and he's so we're going to the International Building Show, and it's gonna I'm an advisor for the cohort for the student chapter, and he's one of the students cohorts. So they got a lot of stuff they got to do. I got a lot of stuff I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna take advantage of learning what kind of new products we have coming out. And guys, this is an international thing. So you got vendors and suppliers coming from all over the nation, not just the nation, but the world, coming here to show the products that they have. And so this is what I suggest all builders should at least come out here for a couple of days just to see. I mean, it's really big, man. It's just to see the new products, especially when you're trying to corner market in the area that you're at. But this is really good, guys. I tell you what, man, you can't beat this right here. I was going to talk about the American Express. There was one more thing I had on my mind too. Can you think of anything else? Look like I'm losing a little weight, man. The Builder Show, huh? Well, the Builder Show. So we talked about that. But guys, well, that's going to be a whole nother ball game. Well, no, we're going here strictly for business, guys. Las Vegas is strictly for business. But guys, I tell you what, man, you can't beat this right here. The service that you get, man. I mean, everything is complimentary, even the drinks, guys. I'm not much of a drinker because I'm trying to lose a little weight. And I can't get all those carbs in my system. I think I am losing a little bit. I can tell in my jawbone maybe a tad bit. But guys, this is the way to go, guys. You think of anything? You want to say anything, man? I'm good. You sure? So, you would not? I want to say anything negative out there. Oh, okay. All right, guys. Once again, let's keep this thing going. You guys have a good one. Let's see. Do I do this little thing? Yep.